Welcome back. Ponda police arrested a native of UP for his involvement in robbery of consignment of tyres worth 35 lakh rupees. Transporter from Ponda had complained that his truck carrying consignment had gone missing. Ponda police team along with the transporter laid a trap and arrested the accused driver at Allahabad railway station.
Azaz Ahmed, aged 23 from Uttar Pradesh, was arrested by Ponda police in a robbery case. He had fled away with a truck of MRF's tyre consignment worth 35 lakhs. Transporter Pawan Chaudhary had filed a complaint on 27 November. Ponda police along with the transporter laid a trap and arrested the accused at Allahabad railway station. He was on his way to Mumbai.
तो मनीस MP, Allahabad, Bombay असो भोंवता अशें दिसलें. So तेका भुसावळच्या आयल्यान बॉम्बे वचपाक ट्रेनीन बसलेलो. ते ट्रेनीन इंटरसेप्ट करून तेका धरलो.
Meanwhile, Maina Kurturi police on Wednesday night arrested 3 persons at Rumdamol, Davalle after Samir Redkar lodged a complaint that trio tried to attack him with the swords over previous enmity. Bike of the accused is attached.
काल रातच्या 12:30 समीर रेडकर रावपी दवल्ली रुमडामळ ह्या मनशान मायना कुर्तरी पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेंट दिली की पयलींच्या दुस्मानकाय 3 आरोपी जे दवल्लेच रावपी आनी तांचेर अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर, रॉंगफुल रिस्ट्रेंट आनी आर्म्स एक्टाच्या कायद्यान गुन्हो नोंद केला.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
FC Goa are in the semi-finals of the inaugural Indian Super League after a sensational performance in the league phase. After a slow start to the campaign, FC Goa bounced back in style, scoring some wonderful goals. These are the 5 most memorable goals of FC Goa from the qualification stage.
It will be Pinheiro, it is Santos, and the ball is into it! They have the goal, Slapichka runs away!
With the cross. Santos trying to find room for the shot, oh it's brilliant! It's brilliant from the Brazilian! And it's 3-0! Oh what a goal! What a calm finish!
Watch the build-up. As the ball's moving, the players are moving. Gibbs goes.
Goal number 100 in the Hero Indian Super League. And it's scored by Romeo Fernandez.
To stay calm in possession.
Nick, when Martins didn't get that shot on target, and he gets blocked, gets set up by Perez, skips inside. When he gets blocked, I'm thinking no. But now, he unleashes a rocket. Watch this. The opportunity is only fractional. His first touch takes him outside of his feet. The second touch is the strike. And this is what he thinks of it. Oh, yeah.
Now he needs to be careful. Not sure how long the referee's patience will last. Miranda heads on. Slapichka over the top.
Now he's in. Now he's in.
With pace round the goalkeeper. Finishes with style. It's us by the Australian.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.